We'll just put out a press release. That's what a founder told me about launching his new position. 2 months later, nobody remembered it. Today, I'm going to show you why most position launches die quietly and the lightning strike strategy that ensures yours doesn't. Yesterday, we mastered category, position, POV, and narrative. But here's what nobody tells you. Getting those right is only half the battle. The other half, making sure the market actually notices. And no, you don't need Tesla's budget to do this. I hear you in the back. Let me show you how category kings do this differently and how you can too, regardless of your resources. So let's talk about first why most launches fail. Here's what typically happens. A company spends months getting their positioning perfect. Then they send out a press release, update their website, post on social media, and maybe buy some ads. And then nothing. Crickets. Why? Because they're making 3 huge mistakes. They spread their impact too thin. They think launching is an event, not a campaign. They confuse telling with mobilizing. It's like trying to light a fire with a match in a hurricane. You need a lightning strike instead. So what is the lightning strike principle? Essentially, a lightning strike concentrates maximum force at a single point in time. Think about an actual lightning. It's not gentle. It's not spread out. It's not forgettable. It's concentrated energy that changes the landscape in an instant. That's what your launch needs to be. And here's the beautiful part. This works whether you have $1 million budget or $100 budget. Why? Because it's not about how much force you have. It's about how you concentrate it. So how do category kings do this? Salesforce didn't just announce cloud computing. They staged a mock protest against traditional software, got major press coverage, launched at major industry events, mobilized early adopters, and created a movement, not just a message. But here's what most people miss. The power isn't in their budget. It was in their concentration of force. When Drift launched conversational marketing, they picked 1 week, published manifestos, released research, launched a podcast, got their community involved all at once. Not spread out, concentrated impact. All right, I hear you. So what if you have a super small budget, but you want to get big impact? What do you do then? Now, I know what you're thinking. Great, but I don't have Salesforce money. Good news, you don't need it. Here's how to create a lightning strike on any budget. Welcome to Zero Budget Tactics. So coordinate with your community, write provocative content, start conversations in groups, go where your audience is, create social media momentum, leverage your network. So what about if you have anywhere between $500 to $5,000? You could target micro influencers, create shareable content, run focused ad campaigns, host virtual events, and build email momentum. All right. What if you had a budget between $5,000 and $50,000? You could create research reports, host industry events, run PR campaigns, produce video content, and build partner ecosystems. The key isn't how much you spend, it's how you concentrate your resources. So how does lightning strike planning look like? Number 1, pick your moment. Choose a time when your market is paying attention. Avoid major competitor events. Consider industry rhythms. Number 2, build your arsenal. Create your core content, prepare your community, line up your channels, and ready your team. Number 3, plan your sequence. Day by day timeline, hour by hour execution, and role by role responsibility. Number 4, maximize impact. Stack your activities, create echo effects, build momentum waves. So what are some common launch killers? Watch out for these. Spreading your launch over weeks, launching without ammunition ready, missing clear call to actions, forgetting to mobilize your base, and just general weak follow through. Remember, a lightning strike is just the beginning. You need to capture the momentum. That founder with the press release, he's relaunching next month, this time with the lightning strike, because he learned the market doesn't care about gentle rain. They notice lightning. Tomorrow, we'll talk about building category momentum, but today, plan your strike because you only get one chance to launch your position. Make it thunder. Share below, what would your lightning strike look like? What resources could you concentrate? When would you strike? And remember, lightning doesn't ask permission to change the landscape. Neither should you.